In this demonstration, we will configure incoming protection settings. Go to General and click Domains Overview. Select the domain you want to manage. From the Domain Level Control panel, click Incoming Protection Settings, and select Filter Settings. There are two main controls, Quarantined Enabled and Quarantine Threshold. The Quarantine Threshold slider will determine what score will result in a message going into quarantine when the filter is least sure about the message. In this example, we will retain the default threshold of 0.9. Turning off quarantine will result in all messages being delivered to your server, but you can add a warning notation to the subject line of the email. The option to bypass the SPF, DKIM, and DMARC checks is available here, but is not recommended to be disabled. For specific domains or IP addresses that you need to bypass the check for, add the items and manage the configuration here. Skip maximum line length check on the incoming mail. This setting allows emails to bypass the standard SMTP line length limitation. It is highly recommended to enable this option. If disabled, the receiving destination server may reject the message for not complying with official standards. Block messages from newly registered domains. If enabled, messages from domains created within less than a day will be rejected. Block messages from sending email servers without a valid PTR record. If enabled, any message sent from a sending email server that does not have a valid DNS pointer record will be quarantined. Beneficial to train notation. Text added here is prep-ended to the subject line of all messages classed as unsure. When an incoming message is detected as unwanted and quarantined, the response you send to the sender can be rejected or accepted. For accepted, the message will be quarantined, and the sender will not get a bounce message. For rejected, the message will be quarantined, and the sender will get a bounce message. By default, the system will use Transport Layer Security, or TLS, when available on the sending and destination servers, and will send in plain text when TLS is not available. You can instead enforce TLS for all messages. Set the TLS handling for incoming and delivery to use when possible, or only process email for any or specific recipients or senders where the mail is received over a TLS connection. In this example, we will set to only process email for any recipients or senders where the mail is received over a TLS connection for incoming email, and set automatically use TLS when possible for delivery to destination. Click Save.